One crucial question looms large when traveling aboard as a student. What should you pack to ensure a smooth and successful transition into your new academic life overseas? This guide dives into the must-have items that will not only make your packing process stress-free, but also set you up for an unforgettable study abroad experience. Whether you're heading to the bustling streets of Tokyo, the historic corridors of Oxford, or the sun-soaked campuses of Sydney, these packing tips will prepare you for every aspect of your journey. The most critical items to pack are your passport and visa. Ensure your passport is valid for the entire duration of your stay, and keep copies of these documents in a separate location in case of loss or theft. Carry a few forms of identification, such as a driver's license or a national ID card. Additionally, bring financial documents like credit and debit cards, and ensure you have informed your bank about your travel plans to avoid any disruptions in service. It's also advisable to carry some local currency to cover immediate expenses upon arrival. Pack your health insurance card and any necessary medical documents, including prescriptions and vaccination records. Health insurance is particularly crucial, as medical care abroad can be expensive and complicated to navigate without proper coverage.
If you're a traveler or digital nomad, having medical insurance is essential. Accidents and illnesses are unpredictable, and it's always better to be prepared than to face regret later. As an experienced traveler, we've encountered numerous travel mishaps ourselves. Without medical insurance, these incidents could have cost us thousands of dollars out of pocket. Who has that kind of money lying around? That's why investing in travel medical insurance, like SafetyWing, is a smart choice. SafetyWing is specifically designed for people like me and you, relieving the financial burden of health problems and accidents abroad. It ensures you're covered for any unforeseen incidents that may arise during your travels. Click the link in the description for more information.
Research the climate of your destination and pack clothing accordingly. If you're heading to a colder region, bring warm clothing such as coats, sweaters, and thermal wear. For warmer climates, pack light, breathable fabrics. Don't forget a raincoat and an umbrella, as weather can be unpredictable. Pack a mix of casual and formal clothing. Casual attire is suitable for daily activities and socializing, while formal wear might be necessary for events, presentations, or formal dinners. Include at least one formal outfit, such as a suit or a dress, to ensure you're prepared for any occasion. Comfortable shoes are a must, as you will likely be doing a lot of walking. Include a pair of sturdy walking shoes, casual shoes, and formal footwear. If your study destination has specific cultural norms regarding footwear, consider those as well. Pack essential toiletries, such as toothbrush and toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, and deodorant. While these items are available abroad, having your preferred brands can make the transition smoother. Include a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any personal medications you might need. Skincare products tailored to your needs are important, especially if you have sensitive skin or specific requirements. Pack sunscreen, moisturizers, and any other skincare items you use regularly. For personal hygiene, bring items like razors, feminine hygiene products, and a travel-sized laundry detergent for emergencies. Electronics are a cornerstone of your study abroad packing list. Let's start with your laptop and accessories. Your laptop is essential for academic work and staying connected with family and friends. Don't forget chargers, a portable hard drive, and any necessary adapters for international plugs. A laptop lock can provide additional security in shared living spaces. Moving on to your smartphone and chargers. A smartphone is indispensable for communication, navigation, and entertainment. Ensure it's unlocked for use with international SIM cards and pack extra chargers, including a portable power bank for on-the-go charging. Lastly, consider packing other gadgets like a camera for documenting your journey, noise-canceling headphones for studying and travel, and an e-reader for leisure reading. These items can enhance your study abroad experience by providing convenience and comfort. For academic supplies, start with the basics. Pack essential stationery items such as notebooks, pens, pencils, highlighters, and sticky notes. While these are available abroad, having your preferred supplies can save time and ensure you're ready for your studies from day one. Don't overlook textbooks and course materials. Bring any required textbooks and course materials, especially if they are specific to your curriculum and might be hard to find abroad. Digital versions of textbooks can save space and weight, so consider downloading these if available. And of course, a durable backpack or bag is necessary for for carrying your books, laptop, and other daily essentials. Choose one that is comfortable and suited to your needs, with enough compartments to keep your items organized. Now, let's talk about miscellaneous essentials. Travel guides and maps of your destination can be very helpful, especially in the first few weeks. They can help you navigate new surroundings, find important locations, and discover interesting places to visit. It's also nice to bring a few items that remind you of home, such as photos, small decorations, or a favorite book. These can provide comfort during homesick moments and help personalize your new living space. Consider packing small gifts from your home country to share with new friends or hosts. These can be great icebreakers and a way to share your culture with others. Don't forget reusable items such as a water bottle, shopping bags, and utensils. These are very handy and environmentally friendly. Lastly, compile a list of emergency contacts, including local emergency numbers, your country's embassy or consulate, and contact information for your university or program coordinators. Having this information readily available can be crucial in times of need. If you made it to the end of this video and are looking to buy some missing items I have mentioned, I have a list of available links in the description below. Packing for your first study abroad experience can seem overwhelming, but with careful planning and organization, you can ensure you have everything you need for a smooth transition. Prioritize essential documents, pack climate-appropriate clothing, bring necessary personal care items, and ensure you have the right electronics and academic supplies. By considering these categories and tailoring your packing list to your destination and personal needs, you can embark on your study abroad journey with confidence and peace of mind. If you got something out of this video, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Happy traveling!